Many people going on Medicare for the first time or looking to change their plan are looking for guidance but are turned off by working with Medicare Insurance Agents and rather just do it themselves.
Today we will discuss how to do it yourself and the dangers of working with an insurance agent.
Yes, you need to know there are 3 types of agents and how they will actually influence your decisions.
Also, we will discuss the process of switching agents if you are unhappy with them and the reasons why you might not be able to change your agent. Hi, I'm Ann.
And I'm Kai.
Let's first discuss the dangers of shopping a plan without the guidance of a licensed agent. 1. Medicare.gov or 1-800-Medicare will never have anyone licensed with the plan or have a direct experience with the plan. So all they can do is educate you on what the customer representative and you see on the screen.
2. What you see on this plan's website might not always be how things turn out. For example, you might see that your doctor is on the network. However, later you find out that the plan's website was wrong. It wasn't even updated. What's even worse is that what's on paper or the website, the plan looks great, but you have no idea how difficult it might be to work with the plan.
Remember, it's not like buying something at Costco where you can return it at any time.
Oh yeah, they have the best return policy.
Yes, and you can buy with confidence that if you don't like it, Costco will take it back. Well, not with Medicare. This is a plan that you will be stuck with for the entire year.
And if you do things yourself like plumbing or handyman work and you mess up, you can usually redo it or call a professional to help you fix it. Well, when it comes to these Medicare plans, if you mess up, you cannot change it for the entire year. Or as mentioned in our other videos, you might not be able to change or return to your previous plan at all.
And no agent, including Kai, can override these rules or fix it if it's too late.
Yes, and again, you can call Medicare or the plans directly, but we recommend getting professional help to guide you, to help you directly. A good agent will guide you rather than try to sell you.
Remember, if you switch to a different Medicare Advantage plan just to get a lower premium or get some extra perks like dental and so forth, you might have to change your doctors and your hospitals. Most importantly, some plans that look good on paper might make it very difficult for you to get the care that you need.
Now, when calling agents, there are also dangers you need to be aware of. So what should you expect?
Well, be careful of all the agents that simply focus on a few highlights of the plan, but fail to disclose all the facts. It's like a car salesman showing you how nice the car looks, but fails to tell you there's a leak in the oil pan.
That's right. Now, we get it. No one likes the sales pressure either. We know many insurance agents are motivated by commissions rather than caring about you and your coverage.
Yes, we know we are agents too, so we are not saying all agents are bad, but you should be aware of the 3 types of agents that you'll be talking to and how that affects you.
However, regardless of who you call, the price and the benefits of those plans will be exactly the same.
Right. So let's now discuss the 3 types of agents you'll be talking to. There's the captive agents, career agents, and broker agents. Now, captive agents can only sell the plan or company they are licensed with. They cannot talk about other plans or sell you other plans. This is where you feel the biggest push or sales pressure.
And career agents are allowed to sell you other plans, but they first push the company that they are contracted under, and then they can discuss the other options.
And lastly, broker agents are independent and can sell many different companies. Typically, they're less pushy. However, just because they are independent does not mean they won't push one over the other. Look for agents that voluntarily compare other companies and openly discuss the pros and cons of each.
But even the nicest brokers are only allowed to sell the plans they are contracted with. It's a lot of work to contract with each plan, and the agents have to certify and recertify with their companies every single year. So it's not easy to find brokers that have more than maybe 5 plans or so. Here at KCIIS, we represent over 50 plans and can assist you in all 50 states. It's also important to know the rules of changing, especially in different states. You can click on this card up here to learn more about the Medicare traps that we made a video earlier. Now, we'll also put this video in the link below.
And our goal is to be completely transparent with you and discuss the rules of changing and the consequences of changing, and to ensure it's in your best interest rather than us trying to make a commission.
For example, if you're on a Medicare supplement or Medigap plan and you're happy with it, well then don't switch. If you do switch, remember you cannot go back to a Medigap without these 2 conditions. 1, is health underwriting. You have to answer and pass the health questions. And 2 is a special event, like moving outside your coverage area.
If you're unhappy with your supplement plan, it usually is because you don't want to pay the higher premiums. But please think twice before you get baited into switching.
Now, one final key point. If you do not like your agent, no Medicare insurance company will allow you to change the agent of record, where the new agent will get paid to service you. The only way to change your agent is if you were to change to a completely new plan.
So yes, you're stuck with that same agent unless you change your plan. We've had many clients call us and want to stay on their same plan, thinking we can just be their new agent and start servicing them.
Yes, unfortunately, no company will allow that. So this is why we made this video, to help you understand that choosing the right agent is probably more important than choosing the right plan. So to help you be more confident in your decision, we also made an updated video here where we battle back and forth between our mothers and who made the better decision. This is an updated video to the first one that we created. You can also click up here to be aware of all the Medicare traps that you need to be aware of.
Remember, the YouTube robots will show this video to others, so please help us grow our channel by clicking the like button.